Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial on Node.js. So in this tutorial, we're going to discuss about a brief introduction about what is Node.js is, how it works, and simple hello world program with the help of Node.js. So without having any further delay, let's dig into it. So initially, Node.js. What is Node.js? So Node.js is an open source server creating environment. It helps us to create servers to work out. So it generally works with the Chrome's V8 engine. It means that Chrome's V8 engine, JavaScript engine, means that it had been maintained perfectly with Google. So it is maintained and created by the Google company. So it will just run the JavaScript code and a shell or command prompt. So it helps us to create client-side servers applications. So with the help of JavaScript. So it works asynchronously. What the heck is this asynchronously? So really, what does mean that asynchronously? It means that I'm gonna discuss about this furthermore tutorials later. It will be good to go now. So Node.js is not a framework. It's not a programming language. It's not a library even. So what the heck is Node.js? So Node.js is better to call as a JavaScript client-side server creating application. So it's a better name I hope so to give for the Node.js. So it helps us to creating servers. So the thing is, the same functionality you can get with the help of the PHP and most of the other common languages. So what is the difference? So what is the need of this language Node.js? So what actually is it works asynchronously. Well, the rest of the languages or the rest of the programming languages, the PHP works synchronously. So this is what it makes difference. This is what it makes powerful, reliable. So things to do. We just need to start some code now. So before starting the code, we need to install a couple of applications. Not a couple of applications. You just need to install one application. You need to install. You just need to head over to the nodejs.org. This link over there you can see. You just need to head over there, and you need to download this 8.11.2 LTS. It is the current stable version when I'm making this video, and it may probably differ when you are watching this video. So head over to that, download the application. It's an MSI file. So open that, double tap on that. You can get a couple of next buttons. Just click over them, give some permissions, and it's good to go. After installation, you need to open your command prompt, and in the command prompt, you need to type node. So you will get a shell, and where you can write your code. So in the shell, you can write 2, 3, or you can write 3 plus 2. Anything you want to return, it will be displayed on the shell by itself. So if you want to print anything on the screen, you're going to print console. We need to write console.log with hello world program. So I'm going to print hello world on the command prompt. Okay, got it. So it's going to write hello world on the command prompt, and you can get this undefined by default because you may probably seen it a couple of times in the edit boxes in the while you're running the JavaScript code in the browser. So I hope so. That's the reason why we get it is not a string, it is not an integer value. Console.log means something that we are gonna print, and we are not defining it as a perfect string. So it's gonna give a small message that it is undefined. So it doesn't know what it is. It is a number, or it is a string, or a character. No, it doesn't. So it's gonna print undefined over there. That's how we can write our first code hello world program with the help of Node.js. So in the furthermore tutorials, we're gonna start with modules. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching.